7.14, putting it together. We are going to use what we learned about circuits so far to build circuits in series and parallel, explain why one light bulb might be more bright, and predict which light bulbs will turn on. So this circuit is in series or parallel? Well, the answer is actually both. We can actually say that light bulbs B and C are in series. They're wired in series. And light bulbs A and B are wired in parallel. Okay. So here we have a circuit A, B, and C. Which one is more bright? Now, A is more bright. This one, as you can see, is more bright. That's because light bulb B and C have to share energy or voltage. Light bulb A does not. If the voltage of the batteries is 18 volts, light bulb A uses all 18 volts. And we can see that when we use our voltmeter to measure the voltage across the light bulb. See, it's 18. But the other two light bulbs only get 9 each. Okay. Now, identify the component labeled C in the circuit. Identify means give the name. Well, C is light bulb, so all you have to do is light bulb. Identify which light bulb will turn on when the switch is closed. Well, let's add a switch here. This time we'll add a switch. When we close the switch, they're all going to turn on. A, B, and C will turn on. What happens if we open the switch? Well, now there's a circuit going here, but nothing going on this side. So describe what each light bulb will do when the switch is open. We can say that light bulb A will turn on, but B and C will turn off. Okay. What about this one? So this time we moved the switch. Instead, we put the switch right here. When we close the switch, again, all the light bulbs will turn on. But what happens if we open the switch? This time there's no way for current to run anywhere, so no light bulb will be on. Okay.